Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Alice Education. Today the weather is very beautiful and look, the leaves are shaking in the bloom of Mild Bridge. So friends, today let's learn about leaves. So you know that leaves is the kitchen of the plant and the process is known as photosynthesis. The process of making food for the plant is known as photosynthesis. And who makes the food? The leaves, and that's why we call the leaves as the kitchen of the plant. So let's run in details about them. You see these leaves? They need water, chlorophyll, then sunlight, and at last air. And soil also they need. And you know that how they take the sunlight. So there you see this that color here is green and there is chlorophyll present in it. That's why the color of the leaves is green. See this plant, these leaves. It is so much green because it has chlorophyll in it and the chlorophyll captures sunlight. That's why the plant can make food better. So friends, in our kitchen, how do we get water? Yeah, you might say the taps. And how the water goes in the taps? By plumbing, right? So, if I say that the plants also plumbing system in it, see this. Here also see this plant. You see these small branches here and this long branch here. This will be a better example. See. This long branch is known as the midrib. These are the veins, or we can say the ventilation system. So, what is the ventilation system? The ventilation system is the plumbing system in the plants. So, see, this is one kind of veins, and the vein this is known as the midrib. The long and strong vein in the middle of the plants is known as the midrib, and the veins that are growing out of the midrib are known as the veins, small veins. So friends, let's check out this plant. Come here. Yeah. So see, this is also a leaf of a plant. See, it also has a mid-leaf. If you look closer, it also has a mid-leaf here. And I can't see any veins running out of this. Can you see? I can't see. So I hope that you have observed that there are two types of veins in the plants. So let's learn about them. See, these veins, which are only the veins are running parallel to each other. See, there are no veins coming from side to side. Only straight. See, straight veins, long and straight veins. These are known as parallel veins. And the second type of veins that I noticed in this plant. So what is that? That is reticular ventilation. Again, to revise, the two types of veins. One, parallel veins and two, reticular veins. See, this is also an example of that reticulate veins. See, one straight vein in here and the other veins running from there and there. And friends, see, this is also an example of the vein that I said, that reticulate vein. See this leaf, one midrib and then the other veins running like branches out of it. And here, as I have said you earlier, these vein, these and this plant are the example of that parallel veins, or you can see the parallel ventilation. These are also, see, the same. One vein in the mid, that is known as the midrib, and here the veins running from parallel and parallel. So now, what is this structure? The veins are present in a structure. What is known as? Not the leaf. It's known as the leaf blade, or you can say lamina. Leaf blade or lamina. So see, this lamina is different from this lamina. This lamina has a funnier shape, wedges, cuts, and this lamina is blade, right? And see, this is also another example of the lamina. All the plants have different types of lamina. This is not said that the plants will have the same type of lamina. See, this plant also have a different type of lamina. See, it is all like a blade. And coming to here, this blade is like straight long. So friends, see, it have a funnier shape blade. See, it's a wedge and chords, and the blade is like a long heart shape. So all the plants have different kind of blades, or we can known as lamina. So shall we revise it again? Yes, we have to revise it again. So first of all, how the plants make food, that is also known as the way of photosynthesis. See, for the plants need chlorophyll, sunlight, air, water, and sometimes soil. And the process of making food is known as photosynthesis. And see, the plants make photosynthesis by absorbing water. And another question, how does water comes in our kitchen? By the plumbing system, right? From the plumbing system to a tap. From there we get the water. But the plants also have a plumbing system. See, these veins. From the stem, the water is coming from the ground. The root is absorbing the water. Then from the stems to these veins of the leaves. See these veins, right? And we also learned that there are two types of veins. One is parallel veins, and the next one is reticulate veins. See, it's an example of the parallel vein. See, yeah, these leaves will be more good. See, parallel vein, right, is, sorry, I said parallel. Actually, that is reticulate vein. See, reticulate vein. That, and this middle vein is known as the midrib. See, this middle one is known as the midrib, and the others running out are known as veins only. They have no specific name, and the total vein system of this plant is known as what? Reticulate vein. And here coming again, oh no, there is also a plant. See, yeah, this one. It's very tiny. See, it also have a midrib, and there are also some parallel lines running from there. So today we learned that about veins. There are two type of veins system, or we can say ventilation system. See, the wind is going so fast. I like the wind here. And also we learned that they have a plumbing system. We don't call it plumbing in plants, but we call as ventilation system. And we learned everything about plant. But what is left? How the plant takes in the air. Right, so let's learn about them. See, the plant have these strips, in the lower part. See, these small strips like this. See, these are the noses of the plant. We will learn about the noses of the plant in another video in detail, but not today. Today we learned enough. So, bye bye friends. And see, this plant also have a different kind of shape, So, and we also learned that plants have different kind of shape, colors. See, this is yellow color here, and yellow color plant like brownish. And oh, I killed this plant. And the leaves of the plant are in different colors, but the most common color in this is the green color because it has chlorophyll. It helps the plant to absorb sunlight. So friends, we learned much today. Bye bye friends. Bye.